Here's the thing. Stop worrying about how to create better videos for your YouTube videos. The one thing that I wish somebody would have told me on my journey is just show up authentically and in the most imperfect way is the key to getting results on YouTube. When you show up authentically, you're able to gravitate a community in the way that they connect with you from heart to heart. And that's the secret sauce on YouTube. You don't need the fancy equipment. You don't need the lighting. You don't need a microphone, even though high quality audio is definitely king. But these phones that we have today versus when I first started back in 2017, the microphone, the video quality is astronomical here on your phone. All you need is your phone to get started. Being able to love the journey of creating content and evolving as a YouTuber and content creator is one of the most magical things I've ever been on. It's the one thing I can't get away from no matter where I go or venture off when it comes to my online journey as a content creator and YouTuber. It's scary at first. Yes, that's the point. You're supposed to evolve and overcome those fears. Being a YouTuber really expanded my confidence and self-esteem, not just being on camera, but being able to do that throughout my entire life with all the people I love and being assertive with what I accept and what I don't. I think that's the true essence of what YouTube has done for me besides like making quality content. The idea is that you get to figure out who you are in front of the camera and off camera. So I challenge you today to just enjoy the journey. And if you're ready to get started, feel free to check out the training on my page where I show you step by step on what it took for me to monetize my passion in a way that lives the soft girl life and inspire the world around me. So I'll see you there.